you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Ketolifestyle and Low Carb Cooking with Melissa. I'm Melissa. So today I'm going to be making my dessert for Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving. I like to prepare mine the night before because everybody knows Thanksgiving, you have a lot going on, a lot of cooking to do, and I just want to prepare my dessert. And you can make this dish the night before and let it set overnight. I'm making for my dessert a low carb pumpkin pie spiced cheesecake. And it's going to be low carb. Not only is quick and easy, but budget friendly, and most of the ingredients you already have in your pantry or your refrigerator. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is get a 16-ounce tub of any type of cream cheese you want. I just go with Philadelphia brand cream cheese, but you can use any brand that you want. I get the tub because it's already been whipped and I don't have to leave it sit on the counter to soften. So let's go ahead and get this in our large mixing bowl. So make sure you have a large mixing bowl and you're gonna get this in there first. Okay, so you wanna go ahead and in your large mixing bowl, beat the 16-ounce cream cheese. So once you beat your cream cheese, you just want to get it so it's really creamy. Then you're going to add one 15-ounce can of the pumpkin puree, not the pie filling, pumpkin puree. It'll say 100% pumpkin puree. I just have Livy's brand, but you can use any brand you want. So you're going to dump this in and then you're going to cream them together. So the next thing you want to do after you creamed the cream cheese until it's creamy, you add in your 15-ounce can of the pumpkin pie 100% puree, not pie filling. Cream that until it's creamy and no lumps. Now you're going to add your powdered sugar. So when it comes to powdered sugar, I want to show you the brand that I like to use. I use Swerve Confectioner sugar. Make sure it is confectioner sugar, not granular. However, you can use any brand that you want. Just make sure it is a sugar substitute if you want to keep this keto or low carb. So I'm using Swerve, and you want to add a cup right into the mixture, and then you're going to beat it again. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to add is your 1 teaspoon of your vanilla extract. And any vanilla extract is fine. Just add 1 teaspoon right into your batter. The next thing you want to add in is 1 teaspoon of your cinnamon. Just ground cinnamon. The next thing that you want to add in is a 1/2 teaspoon of your nutmeg. Now, if you don't have nutmeg, you can use pumpkin pie spice. So if you don't like it really cinnamony, because cinnamon's already in your pumpkin pie spice, you can eliminate the cinnamon and just add the pumpkin pie spice. But I like mine really flavorful, so I'm going to go ahead and add pumpkin pie spice. So if you already added your cinnamon, just cut this down to 1 teaspoon, but I like mine really flavorful, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons in. So once you added your ingredients in, the last thing you want to do is just add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to use your electric mixer and you're going to incorporate that until it's all mixed and incorporated really well, and make sure it's creamy with no lumps. So after the mixture's been beat, all the ingredients are well incorporated, just set the bowl aside, and now you are going to make your homemade whipping cream. So it's going to be 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and you can either use 2/3 or a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and a splash of vanilla, and beat it till the soft peaks form, and then you're going to fold this in. So when your whipped topping has the soft peaks, then you're just going to fold it into your creamy pumpkin pie mixture. So whenever you add your homemade whipped cream, you don't want it to deflate or break down, such as like when you're making a meringue. So you just want to lightly take your spoon or spoonula or rubber spatula and just kind of twirl it and fold it in. It's okay if you have some whipped cream streaks in it. You just don't want to over mix it, because then you will deflate your cheesecake. So the next thing that I did is I just got my pre-made crust. You can make your own low carb crust using an almond flour crust, and I will try to pin that in the comments. Or you can use a keto graham cracker crust, and that is another recipe that I'll try to pin in the comments. But today I want to make it quick and easy, not only quick and easy, but budget friendly. And this was only a few dollars. And this is a pecan crust that I had already in my pantry. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this. And you're just going to fold this in. So this is a no-bake cheesecake, pumpkin pie spice cheesecake. It's pretty well incorporated, and so I'm getting ready to just add it to my crust. And here you have it. It's ready to be put in the refrigerator. Just refrigerate it overnight to let it sit, and whenever you're ready, just take it out, slice it, put your favorite toppings on it, and that's it. You have a low carb, keto friendly pumpkin pie spiced mousse, no bake. Not only this is a quick easy dessert, and you're keeping it low carb, but it's budget friendly, and most of the ingredients are already in your pantry and in your refrigerator. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you enjoy your holiday. Happy Thanksgiving, and I hope this helps anyone that wants to keep it low carb and keto friendly through their holidays. I hope this recipe helps each and every one of you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Ketolifestyle and Low Carb Cooking with Melissa. Click that bell, that way you have any new recipes that are delicious, quick, easy, budget friendly, and keeping it low carb. Finally, it's time to eat our dessert. So I made a homemade pumpkin pie spiced cheesecake, and it's low carb. Let me show you what it looks like. So I'm getting ready to top it with my favorite topping. This is what the actual pie looks like. After I made it, I already took my piece out. Look at that deliciousness. And this is what it looks like on my plate. And there you have it, my pumpkin pie spiced cheesecake. I just topped it with this pumpkin pie spiced whipped dairy topping. I got it at my local Aldi's, and I'm getting ready to enjoy. So I just cut my husband's pie. He's just having regular pumpkin pie, and I'm getting ready to dress it up. He's not doing low carb on his dessert, so this is what I have, pumpkin pie, and I'm getting ready to add some Cool Whip. So my husband likes a lot of Cool Whip on his, and he's got Cool Whip, and then he's got a little bit of a pumpkin pie spiced whipped topping as well to go with the theme of his pumpkin pie. So this is his pie, and that is mine.